Hey, what you want? I got 3 skills for jungle flag. Okay. At the beginning you should be able to do leg raises, toes to bar and L-sit. Choose grip that's best for you and then start with these raises into tuck. Once they get easy, try to hold it. Moving on to raises all the way up, because after them we'll progress to one leg negatives to get strength needed for hold. After one leg, we'll go back to the tuck, but this time move your legs a little bit more out. When you build solid hold, leave one leg in advanced tuck and straighten the other leg. Always when you want to achieve harder progression, you do raises of the easier variation or negatives of the hard one. Once you feel ready, move on to full negatives. Then picture yourself doing the full and go for it. Of course, the bench isn't the only place. You can use the bar or you can do it even on the floor. So this was my tutorial on how to juggle flag. There are many ways how to learn it, through negatives, raises or holds, or you can combine them all into your training. Hope you guys like this tutorial. See you in the next one.